So sometimes apart from regular characters, what you may want to do is insert out special character in your text. So for that, let me just go around and insert out a text first right here. And let's say I want to insert a special character right here. So as the text box is active and you see the blinking cursor right here, just like this, you need to go ahead on to insert right here. And then what you need to do is choose special character right here. So then what you can simply do is search for the keyword. Let's say, for example, if I were to go for tree right here, just like this, you can see that special character related to tree pops up that you can click and it gets inserted out right here, just like this. Apart from that, let's say, for example, I want something specific like a smiley face right here. So I can simply go ahead and then draw out right here, just like this, as you can see, and then go around right here. And let's say if I were to go around onto, let's say, for example, I can add in some details around over here as well. Like, let's say, for example, droplet, you can see that similar emojis pop up. So you can go ahead and add those in, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, I want something like a house. Let's say, for example, as long as it is there, it'll actually go ahead and pop up. So you can see that I got something like a convenience store right here, just like this, as you can see right here, just like that. And that is how you can insert out special characters inside of your text in Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.